Every individual seeks growth in life. Yet the way people expand their understanding of the world differs significantly. Some individuals pursue experience, others focus on knowledge, while others rely on intuition or communication. In astrology, Jupiter represents expansion and learning. But the element connected to Jupiter reveals how that expansion takes place. Fire, earth, air, and water each represent a distinct path of growth. Understanding these elemental styles helps explain why people develop wisdom in different ways. Fire represents inspiration and action. Individuals with Jupiter in fire signs often grow through bold experiences and personal exploration. They learn by doing. Adventure, travel, and leadership often attract them. Through action, they gain confidence and insight. However, fire expansion must remain balanced to avoid impulsive decisions. Earth elements focus on practical wisdom. Individuals with Jupiter in earth signs grow through discipline, work, and real-world experience. They prefer steady progress rather than dramatic leaps. Their expansion appears through stability and patience. Through consistent effort, they develop reliable knowledge and strong foundations. Air represents intellectual expansion. Individuals with Jupiter in air signs thrive through conversation, learning, and exchanging ideas. Communication becomes a pathway to wisdom. Through debate and discussion, new perspectives emerge. Their growth often appears through education, writing, or teaching. Water elements expand through emotional understanding. Individuals with Jupiter in water signs often develop wisdom through empathy and intuition. They observe human experience deeply. Through emotional insight, they understand life's subtle meanings. This form of growth emphasizes compassion and emotional intelligence. No elemental path of growth is superior to another. Each represents a different way of learning and expanding. Fire inspires action, earth builds stability, air spreads ideas, and water deepens emotional understanding. Together these elements illustrate the diversity of human wisdom. When individuals recognize their natural style of growth, learning becomes easier. Instead of forcing themselves into unfamiliar methods, they can embrace their strengths. Self-awareness allows Jupiter's energy to unfold naturally. Regardless of element, growth requires openness. Curiosity and willingness to learn are essential qualities. When individuals remain open to new experiences and perspectives, expansion continues throughout life. Jupiter ultimately represents lifelong learning. Wisdom develops gradually through experience, reflection, and curiosity. No matter which element guides the process, growth continues as long as the mind remains open. Subscribe to Karmic scripts. Master your map. Master your direction.